Okay, we're going to do the last trigonometry question of this control practice test for grade 10s. Let's just get started. Here we go. Now it says we're going to solve triangle ABC if angle B is 90 degrees and angle C is 57 degrees. This is all you'll be given. And BC is 8 centimeters. So, hey, we've got to build our own diagram. That's a little bit more work. But triangle ABC with B being 90 degrees. Well, all you do is build a triangle and put the B where the 90 degrees is. So make a triangle, make B 90 degrees, and just go ABC. And then take a look at it. Well, C is 57. It wouldn't matter if you went ABC the other way. It would still all work out. Everything would work out fine. It says BC is 8 centimeters. So now I've filled out my triangle. Now, trigonometry requires you to understand, to know the ratios. With SOHCAHTOA, you've got the ratios: sine opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent opposite over adjacent. Well, for me, the first step is being able to recognize what the sides are. The side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The side next to the angle is called adjacent. And the other side opposite the angle is called opposite. If you've got the sides named right, it makes it pretty easy. Well, it makes it a lot easier anyways. So now here we go. First thing is find angle A. Well, the angles in a triangle add up to 180. Well, there's 90. These two must add up to 90. So just go 90 minus 57. You'll get that first angle. By the way, we have to find all the sides and angles. Okay, the first angle, angle B, is 33 degrees, 90 minus 57. Now we're going to try and find the other sides. So let's start with AB. Let's start with AB. Well, you go AB. I'm given this side adjacent, opposite over adjacent. I should make the tangent of 57 degrees. Well, AB over 8 is the tangent of 57 degrees. Well, that's it. We got a trig function. We got a fraction here. We've got an equation. We just have to solve it. Multiply both sides by 8. You get AB is 8 times the tangent of 57. Put that in your calculator. My calculator tells me it's 12,32 centimeters. Round it off to the nearest hundredth. Okay, the next question is a little bit different because well, let's just see. We're going to try and find the other side. We've got AB. The only side we don't know is the hypotenuse. Well, we could take this side that we know, the adjacent, 8 over the hypotenuse. We know that the cosine of 57 degrees is 8 adjacent over hypotenuse over this side AC that we don't know. Well, let's make that fraction. The cosine of 57 degrees is equal to 8, the adjacent side, over the hypotenuse of AC. Well, the way you solve an equation like this, you might try it with numbers sometimes. If you had, say, 5 equals 10 divided by 2, you could go 10 divided by 5 equals 2. These two, if they were numbers, they could trade places. Well, you can multiply by AC and divide by cos 57, and they can trade places again. So it's going to be your answer. That's how you solve this kind of equation, not just by multiplying like 8 across here. Now we're going to have to go 8 divided by the cos of 57. Do that on your calculator, and you get 14,69 centimeters. And that's your answer. Okay.